Helo. Croeso. Fenna ma fod? Croeso stream. A'r teitl i gyd. Dwi'n goffan gem ma heddiw. Mae o yn 1339 ar y Sul. Dwi'n meddwl... Dwi'n gwybod faint sgwini mewn ôl, dwi'n meddwl. Fi ddipyn ar ôl. Dwi'n nôl i Grosny grad. So dwi'n dychmygu dwi'n dod nôl. So, sit back. Mae gynnu fi panad. Mae gynnu fi can o Corona. Just chill. Just chill. It's gonna be a good one. I'm going with stealth. Don't give a shit on stealth. Stealth. Oh my god. Oedd hynna'n evil scientists, hynna. Hynna pam neisio hynna. Evil scientists. Sian gofio am hyn. Y cadw hynna, cos fe hynna yn handi wedyn. Marwa? Beth am bwyd, ynddo? Beth am bwyd? O, ddech chi'n gallu agor hyn o blaen. Yes! Ti'n cael y sneaking suit. O, dwi angen... Dwi'n meddwl dwi angen... Neu beth stupid. Dwi angen... Lladd lot o llygod mowr. Dwi'n meddwl. Os gyda fi ddim bwyd. A mi fyddai angen bwyd. Ydw i gofyn nôl allan un o'r llygod mowr? Oce. Oce. Dwi angen meddwl am. I'm in.
Snake, I see you've managed to sneak into the hangar.
Yeah, the Shagahard's in here.
The completed Phase 2 Shagahod represents a grave threat to the West. We can't allow it to be mass-produced. You've got to destroy
You've
it.
got enough plans, this?
On the Shagahard. Do you think that's safe?
No.
Well, I wouldn't exactly say it's safe. But
It's not
Khrushchev is
safe.
a shrewd leader. I can't imagine he'd use it for anything other than deterrence. Volgin, however, is a different story. He's planning to use the Shagahod to turn the Cold War into a blazing hot one. We can't let him have it.
No.
Agreed.
That leaves just one more mission for you to carry out.
The boss.
Exactly. For now, just focus on destroying the Shagahod.
Yes, sir.
I'll let Sigint fill you in on how to destroy it.
Bombs.
Yo,
Bombs.
People were saying, if you're looking to blow the whole place sky high, the best way is to take out those liquid fuel tanks with the C3. You know there's 4 tanks in there, right? You have to put C3 on all 4 of them. To plant a C3 charge, all you gotta do is equip the C3 and press the attack button while standing near a tank.
Just like TNT.
But make sure you don't plant it in the wrong place. You barely got enough C3 as it is, right?
Good point. I'll make sure not to plant it anywhere else.
Good, man. And be careful. Liquid fuel has a nasty habit of going off at the slightest shock. So don't go using any heavy firepower near the tanks unless you're aiming to get yourself barbecued.
Ha, good one.
Keep that in mind.
The C3 charges all have to go off at once if you want to bring down the hangar in one fell swoop. So if I were you, I'd wait until after you plant the last charge to start the timer mechanism.
All right. I'll make sure I finish planting all 4 charges before I start the timer.
Once the timer's set, you've got 20 minutes until it explodes, right? So make sure you get your ass out of that place by then. I think that's about all I've got. The rest is up to you.
Okay, dwi angen hel
Good luck, pal.
bwyd.
We're counting on you, Snake.
Ydw i'n gallu mynd o yma? Goodbye! Un. Life med. O, fanna ti! Cael chi yma. O, sŵn ane fi nuts.
What is this?
Oce, mae bwyd yn isio. Ca i fynd o bwyd gyntaf. Ti'n sylwi o gynnu fi ddim bwyd. O, dwi'n efo mae gyd eto.
I hear something.
What? Super spy. Okay. Okay. That's why they're gonna call me the big boss. Because we...
No one here after all.
Na. Dwi'n mynd i bigo nhw yna. Yna.
Answer me. There are guys who know alert cancellation frequencies. Speak. Bastard.
Easy. Hoe doe je met? Oké, dat is je boot. Heb je rang niet dit? Sister geweest, dwi ddim yn wast amser yma. Prep work.
Who's that?
Gunshot. What? Bandage. Oce, dylwn i fod llygod yn fama. Oes na fwy o stwff fama? Ddim. Edrych a sbio hwnna. Sut ydw i am bwyd hwn?
Can't complain.
Dal dipyn i fynd. Dwi'n lle i rein i.
I see you caught yourself a rat. The rats in that area are the descendants of wild Norway
Pam
rats
Norway
that were
rats ydyn nhw?
domesticated by humans as pets and lab animals. They're not poisonous, and I don't think they'll attack you, but they're quick little creatures, so you might have a hard time catching one.
He's... What the hell? Awesome shot on this. Come here, my little supper. Okay, so. 3 rats. A dwi'n cael y distinct feeling hyn gyd wast amser. Dwi'n gofio. Oh my god, sbio. What? Efo, done. Pwys famished yma? You saw nothing. Do I make myself clear? Saw nothing. The drills, man. Okay. Dwi literally nôl lle o'n i gynna. Ond,
You want to save?
gynna fi bwyd.
Snake, have you ever seen the guns of Navarone?
Never.
It's about a mission to blow up the huge guns on the island of Navarone during World War II. 6 men are chosen to participate in the operation, each with his own special ability. They only have until an English destroyer passes by the island to complete their mission. Facing impossible odds, the 6 men have to sneak onto the island from a cliff on the southern shore.
That doesn't sound like something I'd want to watch in my free time.
Maybe not for you, but the Major was absolutely crazy about it.
The Major.
He told me to tell you how great it was.
Tell him I'll go see it as soon as I get back to the States.
You want to tell him yourself?
No, let's save that for later. I'd better get back to the mission.
Yeah.
Is dat hinder? Trek een kar på. Dit is een wel weer maar. Okay. Save.
You want to save?
Save.
Hey, Snake.
Ah, no.
You've seen 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Nope, haven't seen that one.
After a number of battleships mysteriously sink at sea, the American government investigates and finds that the culprit is this pacifistic Captain Nemo. The scene
What?
where the giant squid attacks Captain Nemo's submarine, the Nautilus, is breathtaking. The movie was filmed in CinemaScope, and it was great to see it on the big screen.
A giant squid, huh?
What? Don't tell me you think it sounds tasty.
Tasty. Doe eens slaappoop. Is that who I've become? Yes.
This is HQ. What's going on? We're being attacked. Enemy position unknown. Going into high alert. Acknowledged. Sending reinforcements. Use extra caution.
Grazie, ideal.
Who's that?
nes i'n cofio am hynna. Nes i'n cofio hynna. Oedd yn specific a ddeitha fi ddim yn hynna do. O, gwt ti?
We're being attacked. Enemy position unknown. Going into high alert.
Acknowledged. Sending reinforcements. Use extra caution.
Rhywun ar ôl. Class. Un fel ydych chwarae gem a nobody at me. Cool. Vi cofio ma' 'na stwff i bigo fyny. O na, ma' boi sy'n dropio blincin batri. Mynd. Be dwi'n gofio ti'n gorau neud? Ti'n gorau neud hein rwan. Os ti ddim yn neud hein rwan, ma' nhw'n... Mynd fyny fan'na? Oi. Ie. O,
Snake,
Eva,
I finished planting the bomb on the rail bridge. If we get rid of the bridge, the enemy won't be able to follow us. That should at least buy us some time.
yes!
I've also set up the escape route. How are things going on your end?
I just finished planting the second charge. Give me a little more time.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you at the bridge.
Oh, yes. Zo stof. Mae handkerchief yma. Gan i'r Volgun, mae'n siwr. Beth arall i bigo fyny yma? Na, guys. Wff! Da hynna di wneud. Dwi'n siŵr dwi'n mythu'n byd. Ddim. Nerd. C4. Okay, well, my shit and with the nuts. Hold on to your horses. In there. Woo! It's in the motorway. Ah, butterfly. Because it's your butterfly. Isn't it? Dial a butterfly because I missed the dial butterfly. Gonna. Good character development, Hideo Kojima.
Major, I finished planting the C3. I'm on my way out now.
Hurry, Snake. Is Eva taking care of the escape route?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
she can handle it.
All right then, well hurry up and get out of there.
She can't handle it. She can't handle it, guys. Oh my god.
Why'd you come back?
Oh, 30 minutes. Yes.
This woman was found snooping around my underground vault.
Then euphemism.
Captured. Look what we found on her. The philosopher's legacy.
What?
This microfilm contains all the information regarding the legacy. You might say that this film itself is the philosopher's legacy.
It was the smell that gave her away. No, not the perfume.
Yo.
It was gasoline.
Oh, okay.
Motorcycle gasoline. She reeked of it.
Okay.
To think that lovely Tatiana was a spy. We found this radio along with her too. Such a fine woman she was. It almost pains me to have to kill her.
Pam ti'n mynd i lladd hi'n barod?
Yes, she was an obedient one. She was my precious little pet.
My God.
Isn't that right? What was that? Do you have something to say to me?
Go to hell.
You dirty whore. I've had enough kisses from you.
Oh my God.
I should have known. Sokolov wasn't man enough to have a lover like that. Just like the KGB to send something so beautiful, yet so deadly.
What is the philosopher's legacy?
Very well.
Very well.
Explain it before I kill you.
Pam! Pam's going to explain it right before I kill
During
you.
the last Great War,
Just lladd fi.
powerful men in America, China, and the Soviet Union had a secret pact. The pact was a blueprint for defeating the Axis powers and creating a new world order. To secure victory in the
O China am fatha'n really tlawd.
countries pooled their resources to conduct the most covert types of operations and research. The atomic bomb, rocket technology, the Cobra unit. And they amassed an enormous sum of money to fund these projects. Enough to fight the war 5 times over.
What?
That wealth is the philosopher's legacy. After the war was won, the 3 countries were to divide the philosopher's legacy amongst themselves. This explains why the United States and the Soviet Union were able to steal away the best scientific minds in Germany as soon as the war ended.
Yndi? Sy'n mynd esbonio fi hynna.
But our great motherland has far surpassed its pathetic rivals.
Oh.
We possess enormous wealth, the most advanced technology, and overwhelming power, assets fitting of our great country. My father was one of the men in charge of managing the philosopher's legacy. In the confusion that ensued after the war ended, he devised a series of ingenious plots to ensure that the Soviet Union would have total control over the legacy. The money was divided up and laundered through banks all over the world.
What?
Switzerland, Austria, and Hong Kong.
All over the world.
This
Dau
paper
gwlad sy'n
only
reid wrth
takes
ochr ei
record
gilydd.
of all those transactions. After my father's death, I learned of this secret and obtained the microfilm. With this money and the support of Brezhnev and his allies, I built this fortress of Groznygrad and Granin's research facility. But that worthless fool Granin failed to produce results. I was forced to turn to Khrushchev's dog Sokolov and his invention, the Shagohod.
What the hell?
My position in GRU made it too troublesome to attack Sokolov's facility directly. But the spy network established by the secret pact still existed. I used it to contact the boss and suggested that she defect. The boss was conniving enough to see things my way. The world was once one, but the conflict between the philosophers has torn it in 2. We will use the legacy to heal that.
Because wedi ail-neud y gem ma,
world whole again.
ond maen nhw dal yn eisiau fucking grainy
To
ass
do this, we need strength, an
assets.
unstoppable trump card with enough power to bring order to the world. That trump card was to be the Shagohod and the Cobra unit.
Oedd y cwbl unit yn fucking losers! Massive losers!
I have lost the Cobras, but I still have the Shagohod and the legacy. There is nothing America can do to stop us.
I'm a real American. Days of every man.
Take good care of it.
Wel, hynna pam oedd hynna. Un peth
He
eisiau.
wouldn't have come waltzing back in here unless he had a reason. The C3's been stolen. He must be planning some sort of sabotage.
Planning?
I'll go see if there are any surprises waiting for us.
Planned.
I'll dispose of her as well. Leave everything to me.
What? Look at mae pob yn trin Volgyn fatha fucking stupid person.
Fight like a warrior, Volgan.
But of course.
Let me face him. I've been waiting for this moment. Time to get even.
The fucking bombs him off on.
No more judo and no more field strips.
Enough of this.
He's mine.
He's mine. You will stand right there and watch. Got it?
Please, Colonel, let me.
Silence!
Huh? 7 minutes.
Sorry for the delay. Let's get started, shall we?
Well, electricity, science. That is science.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime battle. Let's make it a good one.
Science. Dan ni'n gwachad science.
It's just you and me now. And I'm gonna enjoy this. Snake!
Fel
You're mine, son of the boss!
Which fi just cael Check. Cherry just 10. Cherry just a 10. Look at it just. What? Weet je wat die is? Sut dwi'n lladdo? Sut dwi'n fucking... Sorry, dwi'n mynd i googlo hyn. Sut ffuck dwi'n... Be dwi angen?
What can I say?
Okay. This is the way.
Whose side are you on?
Considering. Okay, so it's my hinian pointless, really, yndi? Let's be honest.
C3 explosives have been discovered on the liquid fuel tanks. The timer is set. Time remaining until detonation. 60.
Easy.
Shoot him! Do you hear me? I said shoot him!
Sorry, Colonel. I'm afraid I can't do that.
What do you mean you can't?
I made a promise to the boss.
Silence! I am your commanding officer.
What the hell?
Are you questioning my authority?
Whose side are you on, Ocelot?
Fight like a man, Volgin.
Vulcan?
Emergency. Explosives have been detected. All non-EOD personnel must evacuate immediately.
Ocelot, find those bombs!
Ooh.
Repeat. Explosives have been detected. All non-EOD personnel must evacuate immediately.
Move it!
Ja, dat bij mij wel.
Ready for some more, Snake?
Oh my god. O, dwi'n gael hwnna i gyd eto. No, dwi rili eisiau pee. A hyn di diwedd y stream? Na, ci, dwi'n am pee. Nôl yn iad. Dwi'n ôl. Oce. Fuck. Dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n gwneud o'n. So. Hwna, hwna. Dim hwna. Dim hwna. Camouflage. Okay. Dwi'n rili gael be yn eisiau fyna ynddo fo. Handkerchief o well yndi? Oh my god, pan dwi'n chwydu? What? Bandage. Good.
What can I say?
Have we missed it? Oh my god! Sut ti'n gweithio weithiau ti ddim? Fel a ti neud o. George own it yna. Bullets. Dwi'n cael sydd ddim yn iwsio stwff da i fi gyd. What the hell? What? Dwi'n methu... What the hell? Sut ti'n weithio'n gallu...
C3 explosives have been discovered on the liquid fuel tanks. The timer is set.
Yes! Okay, we did it done. Woo! Just handkerchief yn angen. Emrys, pa mae'n bwysig yn ei stamina kill o Vulcan? Yr outfit. It's got a Cold War outfit. Sy'n mynd i'n bit nesaf fel Lot House. Mae efo Soviet Union ar y ffrant, US ar y cefn. Os di'r soldiers go Soviet Union, dwi'n ddim yn seithi chdi. I just fucked you up, dude. Seithi with a pen. Dwi'n seithi with a pen yma. Sefyd osod.
Repeat, all personnel evacuate.
Faster! This way! Everybody run! Let's get out of here, quick! Hurry! We have to evacuate that way!
Di'n bris ar y Chad yma. Chad mentality. What?
Step on it.
Iawn, hwn di set piece Metal Gear Solid 3. Sit down. Dech chi'n mynd i gweld meister ar ei waith am yma hwn. Dwi'n mynd i fucking nailio hwn. First time. Not down. Oh yeah.
Eva, how did you?
The boss let me go.
The boss? But why?
I'll tell you later. Right now, we've got to get to the lake and escape.
We can't leave yet. I've still got one last job to do.
The boss is already at the lake.
What?
She's at the lake. She's waiting for you there.
Waiting for me?
Verbeek, dos Arabic. Dos.
I was hoping I wouldn't have to tell you. I don't want you to fight her.
Dwi ddim yn mynd i cwffi. Dwi'n mynd i ffwcio I fyny.
I've come to realize that there's a special relationship between you two. Something I can't understand. Something that goes beyond a man and a woman.
Okay.
I envy you. Really, I do. But I guess I just can't understand it.
Okay. It's almost like it's bad writing or something.
I've never seen someone with such clear eyes.
Oh, I'm fucked up. Un llygad sgynna fi, nath I did eyes. Mae'n fucked up hynna.
I said it. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Fucking funny.
It's not over yet! There is no escape!
We failed!
Not good.
Hold on tight!
So, ti unlockio hwn. So mae ffrant yn Soviet Union, mae cefn US. So wnaeth neb seithi fi. Wan, gyrryd, gyrryd. Hwna ie? Hwna. Na, none nhw'n syth i fili. Efo, so ma'n nhw wedi syth i fi fyna. Dim y coesa nhw wedi sythu. Dwi'n yn cofio fo mor... Okay.
I can't shake him.
An RPG can't put a dent in that armor.
Let's head for the rail bridge.
The bridge? I thought you rigged it with C3.
I did. We'll lure him onto the bridge.
Then blow him up along with it. Good plan.
The bridge is on the other side of the runway. We'll have to cut through the middle of the base. You ready?
Step on it. If he catches up to us, we're done for.
Okay, here we go.
I thought I'd go shit per minute. Fel yma, mae ty beics yn gweithio. Science. No! Snake! Science! Dal, mae dall o slot yn y gêm yma. O be dwi'n gwybod am rest o'r gyfres. Si'n gofio fe'n y jarring oedd yma. O. O, ffocin hwnna, dwi eisiau. Dwi'n methu... Dwi'n cofio hwn bod jarring a hyn. Ie.
Damn it!
Pam! That's stupid. O boi wedi fucking flipio, am I right? Okay. Os ydych chi'n gofyn, Emrys, sut mae hwn yn controlio? Not good. Hwn di thing ni. Awyrau. What? No!
I've got a surprise for you. You won't be getting away this time.
Well, Toy Story 2. The very plane.
Son of a bitch!
Ooh. Oh my god. You're already like a shaggerhad. You asked them over, they're stupid. Okay, I'll do win because of Gola. So Be dwi wedi neud? O, real bridge, oce. Dwi angen stamina cilio fo'n hwn? Dwi'm yn cofio. Defeat a Cold War advanced technology weapon with this one simple trick. Bila dwi'n Cymru isio. Paid o stopio, dos?
Snake, we've only got one chance. We'll lure him over towards the other side. When the Shagohod is on the bridge, shoot the explosives. The bomb is planted on the strut of the bridge. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Planted 2 C3 charges. More to the left. Shoot! Keep your aim steady. Keep your aim steady. Keep your aim steady. Shoot! Only one more left. Keep your... It's here!
Is he literally this to be short, no? Is he literally this to be short? O'n i ddim yn mynd i saethu, o'n i ddim wedi disgwyl tan ar y bont. Goodbye, Shagohod. You are the worst of the Metal Gears. No!
We did it!
Ah. Powered machine is soon villa.
It's over.
What a thrill. Da, 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 da.
Look!
Science.
I'm not finished yet.
Let's take him down. Okay, sneaking suit to cael ddim colli gymaint o health. Let's go.
Ava, you take care of the driving.
Yeah?
Yeah, I trust you. On one condition, though, leave the fighting to me.
You got it. I was getting tired of running away anyway.
Ava, let's do it.
Ah, ti'n cael symud y sbio bwb si.
For life.
Dim ond eisiau neud yn byd, just ond eisiau checio.
Here goes.
Suck this! Okay, a dyn beth ti'n neud ydi... Actually, newid nôl i'r sneaking. Backpack. So, rhai fi capi arall. Dal fi. Iawn. Dwi'm yn cofio os dwi angen stamina cilio fo. Stamina. Kill Shago. Okay, so the match. No hwn, the match. Villa? Cymta? Cos that Ivan is stupid. Sim. Why is this happening? Why am I repeating the same things and they're not dying? Oh, ni angen neud y tair spot tro. Okay. Okay, so ddim stamina kill ar hwn.
Did we beat him?
No.
A boy and tilted. Boy mega tilted. Science. Science then. Hyn yn proven science.
Get off!
What?
I'm gonna lure it back here.
You're gonna use yourself as bait? Are you insane?
I'm used to this guy. I know how to handle him.
I thought let's kick a shit. I think they're gonna.
Come on, you blockhead!
Dwi'n gallu. Sure. Sut dwi wedi
What's the matter? Only fat and bad?
hawdd. Hawdd. Dwi'n hofio fe'n hawdd wedyn. Stamina kill. Yeah. Just gonna play it. Sorry. Ooh, yeah.
Who's afraid of a little thunder?
Dwi'n gasau be nathon nhw i'r boi ma yn Metal Gear Solid 5.
Fried by a bolt of lightning. A fitting end.
Bitch!
It's finally over.
Dyn ddim.
No time for this now. The escape craft is just up ahead.
Let's go!
Let's get going.
Maar... Fuck man. Easy. Wel, edrych fel mae'r toys yn... Okay. Fight o ddim quick 180 di'r broblem. Na, eisiau fethu chdi. Okay. Fuck hynna ti. Oh my god. Class. Mae nuts, nes i fythu'r thing green bach efo na. Meddwl sa'ch chi trwy hel hynny i gyd. Mae'n te, annoyed sa'ch chi.
Looks like they finally gave up.
Don't start celebrating yet. We're leaking fuel.
Whoa. It's a Celia fo? Celia fo? Athyn nhw'n fler efo na. Ain't gonna lie, athyn nhw'n really bler efo na. What?
Eva!
I'm over here.
The tank ain't gonna be an issue now. Because it's blown up. No!
Snake. How's it look?
Pretty bad.
Not a sensitive bone in your body.
Eva,
What about you, Snake?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear.
We have to get away from here, Eva. Let's go.
Leave me.
Eva!
The boss is waiting for you. You have to go. Give me a gun.
No, we're getting out of here.
We're still far away from the lake. I'll never make it.
I can't believe this. I never thought I'd see you act this weak.
Whoa.
What do you mean?
Listen to me, Eva.
Back up.
No, you...
Eva, I need you.
A hefyd, cau fucking cords chdi mewn bwrw.
Say that one more time.
Fucking, seriously, sadia.
You. I can't fly the wig by myself.
All right, then. I guess I'd better help you out.
Nes I llosgu llaw i efo oil cwcio sos dwytha. So dwi'n gwybod yn union sy'n mae Ifan teimlo fel, basically. Na, dwi'n gallu healio hi wan.
You're lucky to have me.
Snake, can you hear me?
Paramedic, thank God. Eva's been seriously hurt.
So have you.
Luckily, I think her organs are all intact, but
Calm down, Snake.
calm down.
O, bydd y byth deud i rywun I calmio down.
Offer emergency treatment. But you're the only one who can do this. Understand? So you've got to calm down.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Now let's open up the survival viewer and treat the injury. Do you have supplies with you?
I'm running kind of short.
Then by switching the survival viewer over to Eva, you can treat her wounds too. Now get to work. Oh, and Snake, I'm pretty sure you know this already. But if you don't have enough supplies for the both of you, your wounds come first. Do you get my meaning, Snake? You've still got a mission to complete.
Yeah, I know what I have to do.
Snake?
Like this.
Sortio'n hun allan gynta. Oh my god, dwi digon o. Gynna fi digon. Stable that. Dwi'n iawn. Ond hynna sy'n bwysig. Woo. Wyt ti... Dyn? Pob yn iawn. Pob yn llawn.
Can you walk?
Yeah, I think so.
Cau thing chdi, mae'n lyb.
Here. It's different from the Mauser. When you're using a two-hand grip, you have to be careful where you put your hands or your fingers will get burned by the exhaust gas from the cylinder gap.
Sorted. Iawn, ydw i'n gallu bwydo hi hefyd? Yndw.
Snake, are you alright?
I've been better.
What about Eva?
I healed her up. She can manage.
Good.
Snake, you'll take the lead and break through the enemy's line of defense. Eva will ordinarily be following behind you. If you lie on your belly, she'll lie down as well.
Yeah.
If you slip and fall off a cliff, she'll follow right behind. You can call out to Eva by pressing the action button. Head to the lake along with Eva.
Ti'n gallu hynna, gallu kick o na. Oce, food.
This tastes like crap.
Okay. F you then. Okay, fel la. Because dwi'n ffonio i wan. Okay, dwi'n mynd i safio.
You going to save?
None of your business, paramedic. So. Let me see.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Ond yna dwi'n gael?
You can treat Eva's wound if she...
Dwi'n gwybod.
Snake, don't forget about but don't...
What?
You and Eva are... If you... I see it started to rain. It'll also reduce your visual... Snake, your escape if you...
What?
Snake, the lake is just... Snake...
Just a siarad o rhywun.
Snake, you're almost to the...
Snake, stay...
So yeah, look at me. Okay, dwi'n mynd i toilet. Okay, let's go. O ie. Hefyd, sy'n mynd i fyma. I fyma. Medical history. Food history here yn... Rat. Stuff here yn... Posh stuff. Medical history here with burn. Breast enhancements. Electrical burn, blow sustained. Ooh, pa Vulcan hefyd, yna ie. Frostbite. Okay. Fatha Rambo 1. Am ddech chi'n scary, just common fucking soldiers, dyn nhw. Dwi literally lladd cannoedd o hyn. Mai. Dweud? Shit. Smyd o fama. So fi'n hodio yma. Absolutely ddim rheswm.
Yuck.
Absolutely ddim rheswm i wneud beth dwi'n neud yma.
Something out there.
This is horrible. I can't take another bite.
Snake, the lake is just over that cliff. Eva should be able to climb it if you help her. Keep her close to you.
Diolch yn fawr. Yes, super. Be dwi byth yn iwsio. Chdi. Good. Okay. Sit. False bango.
Hey, this works.
Stop giving me crap. Ah. Sneaky, sneaky. Maybe... O, sbia. Dwi'n dall oedd yn hynna.
Can I have seconds?
Na, dwi'm yn... O, sbeslau. Booty.
Where'd you go?
Shit. Ti'n gweld fi yma, tit?
Where'd you go? Snake.
Ti'n bod yn super spy, tit? Ti'n bod yn very super, rwan. Hwna'n atgoffa fi o side missions yn...
Snake, where are you? Where'd you go? Ydyn sy'n stuck ar caution 99 am bita. Sgwil. Yeah, let's go.
Cofio bwydo hi, yn aml. Hwn yw map ola? Hwna gyda i. Exposed fel ie, hynny'n iawn. O, ti'n gallu rhedeg wan.
Come on, Snake.
Ti'n gallu rhedeg wan. Convenient. Fath o Llanberis.
We made it.
We've made it to Llyn Padarn. Let's go, Snake.
Over there. It's the boss, isn't it? I'll go get the wig ready to take off.
You kill the boss.
Right.
I'll leave you two alone. But come back in one piece, okay?
Sut ydw i'n stealth killio the boss?
Come with me.
Stamina killio boss. What? Si'n cofio am hynna.
Life's end. Isn't it beautiful? It's almost tragic. When life ends, it gives off a final lingering aroma. Light is but a farewell gift from the darkness to those on their way to die. I've been waiting, Snake, for a long time.
Okay.
Waiting for your birth,
What?
your growth, and the finality of today.
Boss. Why are you doing this?
Why? To make the world one again.
What?
The world used to be
You
home.
crazy woman.
But with the end of the Second World War, the philosophers began to fight amongst themselves, and the world was torn apart.
Really ddim yn licio boss oedd y cymeriad.
Fought alongside me
Dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n
was torn apart
stupid.
as well. The foibles of politics and the march of time can turn friends into enemies just as easily as the wind changes. Ridiculous, isn't it? Yesterday's ally becomes today's opposition. And this Cold War? Think back. When I was leading the Cobras, America and Russia were fighting together. Now, consider whether America and Russia will still be enemies in the 21st century.
Ooh.
Somehow I doubt it. Enemies change along with the times, the flow of the ages, and we soldiers are forced to play along. I didn't raise you and shape you into the man you are today just so we could face each other in battle. A soldier's skills aren't meant to be used to hurt friends. So then what is an enemy?
You bitch! Let's
Is there
go.
such a thing as an absolute timeless enemy? There is no such thing, and never has been. And the reason is that our enemies are human beings like us. They can only be our enemies in relative terms. The world must be made whole again. The philosophers must be reunited. I will devote my skills to that purpose.
You'll die, bitch.
And with the Colonel's money, I will achieve that end. Just as I once created the Cobras. They are my family.
Plot twist I rywun...
Bear children. But I still have...
Plot twist I pobl... Os ydych chi ddim eisiau clywed hyn, mute fi.
It was November 1st, 1950.
Ocelot ydi mab
I was in
Here,
the Nevada
the
desert
Sorrow.
participating in atomic testing. The name Nevada is derived from Spanish, covered in snow, white as snow. And snow is exactly what I saw in that Nevada desert.
Fucking ti'n high,
It
miss.
froze my blood white.
Ti'n high towards yna.
Snake, you were an atomic test subject, weren't you? On Bikini Atoll. That's part of the reason I was drawn to you. You and I are alike.
Atomic
We're both slowly being
buddies.
eaten away by the karma of others. We'll never have the chance to die peacefully of old age. We have no tomorrow. But we can still have hope for the future. In 1960, I saw a vision of the ideal future from space. 3 years earlier, the Soviet Union had succeeded in launching Sputnik, the first man-made satellite in history, into orbit. This came as a huge shock to the United States. In response, America threw everything it had into its own manned spaceflight project, the Mercury program. Even as the Soviets seemed poised to send their first man into space, America was still experimenting with chimpanzees and rockets. The government wanted human data. So they secretly decided to send a human being into space.
What?
I was the one they chose. At the time, they didn't have the technology to block out cosmic rays, and whoever they sent up would inevitably be exposed to heavy radiation. That's why they chose me. After all, I'd already been irradiated once. Of course, you won't find any of this in the history books.
Just acting on diwedd. Just acting on diwedd. Ydw i'n siarad fucking insane shit o dyma'n history books.
That's when it finally hit me. Space exploration is nothing but another game in the power struggle between the US and the USSR. Politics, economics, the arms race, they're all just arenas for meaningless competition. I'm sure you can see that, but the Earth itself has no boundaries.
What?
No East, no West, no Cold War. And the irony of it is, the United States and the Soviet Union are spending billions on their space programs and the missile race, only to arrive at the same conclusion. In the 21st century, everyone will be able to see that we are all just inhabitants of a little celestial body called Earth. A world without communism or capitalism, that is the world I wanted to see. But reality continued to betray me. In 1961, I was sent to Cuba, to Bahia de Cochinos. It was part of a CIA-sponsored invasion under the guise of taking Cuban exiles back to their country. But the US government betrayed them. Our weak-kneed president held back their air support. Defenseless, the exiles were annihilated by the Cuban army.
Ooh, the Boston Mucker GFK.
I was set up by the very country I'd sacrificed so much for, by the very government I dedicated my life to defending. I was driven from the surface world, and I went underground. Then, 2 years ago, I faced the Sorrow, my old comrade in battle. He was my friend. But one of us had to die.
An
I was
understatement.
left with no choice. The Sorrow gave his life for me. There is no enmity between us. One must live, and one must die. That was the mission. The ones who gave me that mission were the philosophers. Early in the 20th century, the true holders of power in the United States, the Republic of China, and the newly formed Soviet Union gathered together in a secret meeting that would later be known as the Wise Men's Committee. The secret pact they formed there marked the beginning of the Philosophers. But the last of the original members died in the 1930s. After that, the organization began to run out of control, and the Wise Men's Committee degenerated into a mere shell of its former self. The philosophers of today have no sense of good or evil. Their influence extends to countries and organizations involved in every aspect of every war. They have become war itself. That's how they operate. The sacrifices of war cause a shift in the times. This shift leads to renewed conflict, and in turn triggers the next war. Like a nuclear chain reaction, each conflict sparks countless others, forming an endless spiral that will continue on for eternity. Do you understand what I'm saying, Snake? By consuming me and you, the philosophers intend to keep that cycle going forever.
What?
It was my father who explained all of this to me. He was one of them. You see, I am the last remaining child of the philosophers. But after he revealed the truth, my father was killed by that same shapeless, formless organization. And my father isn't the only thing the philosophers have taken from me.
My baby.
In June of 1944, the Cobras and I took part in the landing at Normandy. We'd been given a top-secret mission to locate and destroy enemy V-2 rocket installations. I was pregnant at the time. The sorrow was the father. I gave birth on the field
Ti'n literally galw fo'n friend, gyda?
a beautiful baby boy.
Ocelot.
But my child was snatched away from me by the philosophers. Look at this scar. This is proof that I was once a mother. I gave up my body and my child for my country. There is nothing left inside me now. Nothing at all. No hatred, not even regret. And yet sometimes at night, I can still feel the pain creeping up inside me, slithering through my body like a snake.
Like you.
I've never talked this much about myself before. Thanks. Thanks for listening to me. I feel content. Snake, commence the operation. I raised you. I loved you. I've given you weapons, taught you techniques, endowed you with knowledge. There is nothing more for me to give you. All that's left for you to take is my life.
Pam.
In your own hand. One must die, and one must live.
Smell your marrow, yeah?
No defeat. The survivor will carry on the fight. It is our destiny. The one who survives will inherit the title of boss. And the one who inherits the title of boss will face an existence of endless battle. I'll give you 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, MiGs will come and bomb the hell out of this place. If you can beat me in less than 10 minutes, you'll be able to escape in time. Let's make this the greatest 10 minutes of our lives, Jack.
Boss.
You're a soldier. Finish your mission. Prove your loyalty. Face me. I come.
Okay, I am. Okay, so
That's tasty.
stealth kill. Die. Die. Stand. By the way, dwi'n cofio ffeit yma lot. Dwi'n dechrau hwn easy mod yna ddo. Os di hwn yn medium, os di hwn yn normal mod, top tip, mae normal mod rhy hawdd. What? What's your fucking ammo? Fucking ammo. Oh, stopio!
Nice try. Where are you?
Ah, to soma!
Nice try. Get ready. Get ready. Brace yourself.
No!
Is that all you've got? Grenade! Here I come. Brace yourself.
Yes! Easy. Dwi fod yn CQC battle a mae fod yn big thing. Os fi ddim respect i'r boss. Die like a dog, boss.
Take this. Keep it safe.
Holl point fi dod I... Os ydych chi'n trystio fi gymaint o hynna,
It's our
just
only
cael fi fewn yn y plan o'r cychwyn, ie? Os mae bod dim yn iawn, sa?
A patriot? Why are you giving me this?
Because I'm gonna die. That's useless for me.
Jack. Or should I say, Snake. You're a wonderful man. Kill me. Kill me now. Do it. There's only room for one boss.
Eisiau hofio, o'n i'n gorau pwysio R2. Eisiau holl anghofio, o'n i'n gorau pwysio R2 yna. No. Dwi wedi bwysio. Science. Science yna. Detail di coin yn y clust. Impressive. True power of Unreal Engine 5 yna.
Ready to go, Snake?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Be ti'n meddwl, mate?
Snake? I told you you could trust me.
What the hell?
Snake! Ocelot! We're not done yet.
Fel am y gweithio. Oh my god.
Too heavy!
Un person extra, dio? Oh, okay, okay. Un jets to mynd, fair enough.
Snake, try to remember some of the basics of CQC.
Not good!
Osa, so gwybod CQC. What?
I picked up a few new moves. Huh. It doesn't feel right to shoot an unarmed man. But I'll get over it.
Eva!
Dwi'n gwybod yn bullets na.
What do you say to one last showdown?
Yeah, all right.
Y dau gwn efo. What? There. Weird. Ah.
What's your name?
Snake.
No. Not that name. You're not a snake, and I'm not an ocelot. We're men with names. My name is Adamska. What's yours?
Adam?
John.
Very well, John.
John
Plain
Doe.
name, but I won't forget it. Come on!
Dwi'n cofio sef mae'n opsiwn iawn i ddim. Dwi'n meddwl, os efo gwn iawn, methu fe, ie, ar bwrpas.
It's a blank. Oh, that was fun. Until we meet again, John.
Dwi'n gwybod sy'n sy'n jump bell am yma.
Snake! Give me a hand! Pull!
Fel hyn dwi'n chwarae fight sims fi.
Come on, pull up!
Mae angen hwn wan. Sit back
We made it.
and relax.
We sure did.
Mae'n really saturated yndi. Y gêm sy'n fel la, dwi'n sbio clips bol eraill hefyd. O, ti'n gallu pwysio... Na. Migs.
Oh no, Migs! There's no way out. What are we gonna do?
We've come too far to let them stop us now. Those things have got to be armed.
It's no use. There's no way we can outmaneuver them. They're gonna shoot us down. We were so close.
Weapon systems on. Locked on target. I got tone.
You were great, Eva.
Huh?
Thanks.
Oak 19, this is Control. Stand by for a direct order from the chairman. Oak 19, return to base immediately. Do you read me? This is a direct order from Comrade Khrushchev. Return to
Khrushchev di sefyll ni.
Oak 19, do you copy?
O'n i'n gwybod fod y commies ma'n iawn.
Reporting mission. RTB.
Look! The Migs are turning back! Woo!
Well done, Snake.
Well done.
Migs disengaged.
Most likely under orders from Khrushchev.
Is this his way of helping us?
Who knows? Maybe he didn't want things to get messier than they already are. Or maybe he just wanted us to owe him one. The important thing is, you made it out alive. As long as Khrushchev is with us, I don't think they'll be coming after you. It should be smooth sailing all the way to Alaska. I'm sending someone out to Galena Base to meet you.
To meet me?
The DCI and the President himself are waiting at Langley. Don't keep them waiting.
What? O'ch chi'n mynd i lladd fi gyna am treason. O, wan, ddech chi isio cyfarfod fi? Yes. Wel, mae gêm technically dosod o'n. So, os hi fod dillad wahanol wan, sa?
So what are you going to do now? Go back to the KGB?
What do you want me to do?
Did you ever think about coming back to America?
I can't go back. I've left America behind me.
But you saved this country.
I didn't do it alone.
And I still owe you a dinner.
Ooh. Smooth. Swn i'n eisiau agos...
Is that part of
Swn i'n eisiau eistedd mor agos yna i'r tân.
Or is it an order? Or is it an invitation?
Look am nhw dal yn gwisgo fatha
Or a proposal?
mission dillad nhw. Mae'n neud y scene ma lot mwy romantic.
Orders from anyone now.
Oh no, gwyn coch! A cap nes i... Dwi wedi gwneud hynna yn tu rhywun. Dim hyn, dwi wedi gwneud hyn yn tu rhywun. Ond dwi literally wedi gwneud y thing gwyn coch yn tu rhywun. So... Basically fatha... Big Boss. Rug on rug. Tynwch sgidiau chi. Always on the mission. No! Ydych chi wedi gallu gwneud off? So seis yr afal na fyna. Tynwch sgidiau bydych chi. Oh my gosh, beth bydych chi sgidiau na? Okay, no. Fuck. It's a saturation, it's a game, didn't it? Ooh, cysgu fel ar hwnna. Okay, tynnu top off, ond nath nhw'n tynnu bottoms. Nath nhw'n cael hanky-panky, lle.
Scholars tell us that the first spy in history was the snake in the book of Genesis. In that story, it was Eve who was tempted by the snake in the Garden of Eden. But this time around, it was I who tempted the snake and got away with the forbidden fruit of knowledge.
Ooh.
Forgive me, snake.
Good morning, Snake. I hope you slept well. First of all,
I have to apologize. I wasn't sent by Khrushchev.
What?
I'm not a KGB spy, and I never worked for the NSA.
I'm an agent of the People's Republic of China for the General HQ 2nd Department of the People's Liberation Army. It was all a lie. I tricked you. And I'm sorry.
Be ti down lasgo ta? O hyn yn... O, okay, triumph. O'n i'n meddwl yn di tynnu'r triumph thing off. But fi. For brandishing reasons. Branding reasons.
Philosophers still exist in China, too. You see, my mission was to find out where Volgan was hiding the philosopher's legacy and steal it. So I infiltrated his base as a KGB spy. The two NSA codebreakers who defected in 1960 were actually both men.
What?
The real Adam never showed up at the meeting place, saving me the trouble of having to eliminate him. I sneaked in by pretending I was Eva. And you and Sokolov and Volgin, you all believed me.
Oedd hwn twist it's cool
The philosopher's
back in the day.
legacy was originally held in common between the US, Soviet Union, and China. We couldn't let the Russians and the Americans take it all for themselves. The Chinese government had its eye on the legacy too. I got the film containing the legacy. And also the nuclear missile launch data from the Shagohod. 5 years ago, the Soviet Union stopped supplying us with nuclear weapons technology. Since then, China's Liaodong easing, hydrogen bomb, and space rocket projects have fallen behind. But with this data, our country will be able to develop its own nukes. We'll create a deterrent force to rival those of the US and Soviet Union. Everything has gone according to plan, thanks to your help. I too am one of the philosophers. I'm an agent of the philosophers, a graduate of one of their charm schools. I was raised in a joint US-Soviet-Chinese facility to become a sleeper agent. This was before the war. Back then, they were collecting children from all over the world. As a result, I'm indistinguishable from a native American. So it didn't surprise me when you and Volgin couldn't tell the difference. But she knew right from the beginning. She knew because before the war, she was at one of the philosopher's schools too, as an instructor. The boss was the only one I couldn't fool. She was the only one who knew I was a fake. She told me everything. Why did she open her heart to me like that? At the time, I couldn't understand it.
Don't kid yourself. Video special mates the boss. Dim chdi.
She wanted you to know the truth. She chose me to tell you. That's why she saved my life. I've lied to you so many times, but not this time. My orders from the government were to obtain the legacy. And to eliminate everyone who knew the truth about what happened. In other words, I'm supposed to kill you. But I can't do it. Not because we loved each other. And not because you saved my life. But because I made a promise to the boss. And I intend...
Stop it, tafod electrics and tan. Fucking hell.
I just wanted you to know. And you have to live.
Listen
to me. She didn't betray the United States. No. Far from it. She was a hero who died for her country.
Dat ddim fod fel hyn,
She
de.
carried out her mission knowing full well what was going to happen.
Paramedic.
Because that
Zero accident. Oh my god, sbia. Fath oedd ar y fucking hael. Oh, Lyndon B. Johnson.
You are above even the boss.
Dwi'n mwys di'r acen o da.
I award you the title of Big Boss. You are a true patriot.
Ooh. O'n i'n meddwl ddim yn ysgwydd llaw. Oh, by CIA, don't know.
We could use an infiltration unit like Fox in the army. Someone like him to handle our top secret sneaking missions for us. A man who combines the qualities of a soldier and an agent.
The boss's defection was a ruse set up by the US government. It was all a big drama staged by Washington so they could get their hands on the philosopher's legacy. And the boss was the star of the show. They planned it so that they could get the legacy that Colonel Volgin inherited and destroy the Shagohod at the same time. Only a legendary hero like the boss could have earned Volgin's trust. Finding out where the philosopher's legacy was hidden was to be her greatest mission. Everything was going according to plan. But then something happened that no one could have predicted. Colonel Volgin fired an American-made nuclear warhead at Sokolov's research facility. Khrushchev demanded that the US government provide proof that it wasn't involved. They couldn't just abort the operation to steal the legacy. So the operation itself was greatly expanded and revised. The authorities in Washington knew that in order to prove its innocence, they'd have to get rid of the boss. And that one of their own would have to do the job. The public couldn't be allowed to find out about it. Not ever. This, they concluded, would be the best way to keep the whole thing under wraps. The boss wouldn't be allowed to come back home alive. And she wouldn't be allowed to kill herself. Her life would be ended by her most beloved disciple. That was the way the government wanted it. That was the mission she was given, and she had no choice but to carry it out. Her death at your hands was a duty she had to fulfill. Out of duty, she turned her back on her own comrades. A lesser woman would have been crushed by such a burden. The tainted...
Don't rate her. Don't rate the boss.
To her grave. Future generations will revile her. In America as a despicable traitor with no sense of honor. And in Russia as a monster who unleashed a nuclear catastrophe. She will go down in official history as a war criminal. And no one will ever understand her. That was her final mission. And like a true soldier, she saw it through to the end. But I think she wanted you, of all people, to know the truth. She wanted to live on in your memory. Not as a soldier, but as a woman. But she was forbidden to tell you herself.
Yeah.
That's why she told me.
Just yeah.
Snake. History will never know what she did. No one will ever learn the truth. Her story, her debriefing, will endure only in your heart.
You carry on back in the day.
Everything she
Or on It's Cool.
did for her country.
Oh, that's Let's get Solid 5. Fuck her. I with the card on.
She was a real hero. She was a true patriot.
Spare a stuff my hidden in. Sigurd yn troi very bad man. A paramedic yn troi yn very bad man. O ia, Eva disappears without a trace in Hanoi. Oedd hwnna'n big thing ar y pryd. Ond... Hideo Kojima di ffwcio stories fe gyd fyny. Ydyn nhw'n di adio stwff... O na, dim yn stopio hwnna. So oedd adio dim byd y Peace Walker na 5 efo hwnna. Diddorol. Pryd oedd hwn allan yn reiddiol, oedd y diwedd yma'n awesome. Cos oedd 1 a 2 newydd ddod. O 1 a 2 di ddod, ac oedd Gear a Gear 2 yn thing gwahanol. So, chdi wedi chwarae 1 a 2, a wedyn y diwedd 2, mae yna philosophers. Lle maen nhw gyd i marw ys cynrifoedd. A wedyn ti'n dod nôl i hwn wedyn. So oedd hwn yn rhaid y precursor i 4 wedyn. Dwi'n cofio rhaid eich ymlaen at 4. Y problem ydy, ar ôl i 4 gorffen y stori, mae rhai pobl yn joio fo, rhai pobl ddim, fair enough. Ond, nath Peace Walker newid lot awydd y card hwn, a nath 5 cymryd hot steaming dump ar beth hwn i sut fyny. Mae'n rhywbeth really specific yn 5 sy'n basically effio nuance plot 3 yn gyfan gwbl. Y stwff dod allan yn 5 lle ti'n fel, mae 3 yn stupid. So eisiau medru really? Dwi'n joio 5. Mae 5 gameplay-wise yn awesome. Story-wise yn effing awful. A mae'n ffwcio gymaint o bethau fyny. Just cos... Ie, dwi'n gwybod pam. A hefyd, mae 5 mwy fatha Peace Walker 2 na 5 hefyd. Ond mi fyddai'n chwarae nhw. Ond dwi'n gwybod beth chwarae nesaf wan. Ydw i'n mynd i chwarae hwn. Na, hwn. Ydw i'n mynd i chwarae 4 o hwn. Ta Peace Walker. Mae gennym fi 4 Peace Walker, Ground Zeroes a 5 ar ôl. Dwi am chwarae nhw pryd oedd o allan, dwi'n meddwl. A dwi'n siŵr oedd Peace Walker allan ar ôl. Oedd allan ar ôl 5, do. So, mae'n ei chwarae... Nac i ar ôl 4. So, fydd i'n chwarae... Na, dwi'n... 28th of April 2010. O ie, 2 flynedd ar ôl 4. So metr gysoli 4 nesa. Peace Walker. A 5. Okay. Mae'n nuts. Mae'n o bwysig ydy Peace Walker. Os ti eisiau gwneud sens o diwedd y stori yn gyfan gwbl, Peace Soccer di'r pwysica, a dwi'n mynd o'r fucking numbered game. Ond hwn di diwedd Metal Gear Solid lle mae stwff yn neud bach o sens. Ar ôl hwn, dwi'n joio'r ffordd. Dwi'n joio lle mae ffordd yn gorffen stwff. Ond ddo, mae ffordd ymlaen yn fucking insane person plot. So, fydd o'n diddorol i weld sut dwi'n teimlo am hynna. Y gem yma, haws a dwi'n cofio, oedd o'n really hawdd. Ella ni ddim yn chwarae mewn iawn chwaith. Oedd o'n mynd rhwng lle yn lladd bobl mor viable. Oedd o'n neud sens fydd hynna. Oedd y gem yn teimlo mwy yn pen fi. Y chwarae fo back in the day neu oedd o wan. Nes i'n joio fo. Nes i'n hofio fod o'n mor fyr a hynna. What a 15 hours nes i'n diwedd. A just 15 hours yn gallu neud, so mae lot o mynd o gwmpas na gys. Eisi bo man. Dwi'n meddwl nes i'n neud yn haws yn gwybod stwff hefyd. As in... chwythu fyny llyfr bwyd yn neud pobl a amos yn neud pobl lot haws. Lot o... O, dwi wedi'n lwcio'r armor yma. Mae'r armor yma... skin, neu... camouflage yma. Ond beth ydy... gwirionedd ydy, mae'r camouflage yna ond yn viable am 5 munud i 10 munud o'r gêm. Dwi'n cofio pan i'n chwarae hwn yn 2004. O, mae stamina kills yn anodd, ac oedd o'n really hawdd. So mae'n diddorol sydd o gwybod mechanics y fights yn neud y stwff mae'n haws. Sy'n enjoyo fo ddo? Ella mae'n dweud touch bach o nostalgia fi.
I understand, sir, but they were necessary sacrifices. Yes, the CIA has taken care of the boss themselves. I believe the White House will be satisfied. Khrushchev is finished. Your time has finally arrived. Yes, the American president is relying on us to keep a lid on the whole affair. We've got him by the balls. It should make a valuable trump card in future negotiations. Yes, Chief Director, of course. I'll keep the KGB informed.
The triple agents, man.
Yes, it's me. The boss has accomplished her mission. The philosopher's legacy is now safely with us.
What?
With this money, yes, the philosophers can finally be revived. The film we handed the Chinese was a fake.
What?
Peking must be in an uproar right about now. I'm afraid so. Only half the money has made it back to the United States. The KGB must still have part of the legacy. Yes, the weapon has been reduced to ashes. That's right. Grozny Grad has been obliterated by the Davy Crockett we brought in as well. Yes, that was the boss's work too. Speaking of which, I've obtained something from Granin that you might find interesting. It's a revolutionary new nuclear attack system. Perhaps it might just come in handy someday. Yes, we have Snake to thank for that. Khrushchev believed it as well. Yes, they bought our story. I don't think they'll be making a fuss. The secondary alert has been lifted as well. And the Soviets still haven't discovered my true identity.
What? Whoa!
Idea that I've been triple-crossing them.
Triple crossing.
I will continue my activities as a contact for the new government. Yes, it appears that no one knew that I was Adam. Of course, I am always at the CIA's disposal, Mr. Director.
Whoa! No! Whoa, Ocelot of the... Shocked. Shocked. Ocelot of the... Oh my god. Ie. Oedd hynna'n... Oedd yn amlwg ar y pryd hefyd, really hefyd, cos... Oedd o'n secret agent spy thing yn 1 a 2 yn double crosio ddwywaith, so... Dal yn cool, ddo. Dal yn cool. Iawn, normal mod oedd hefyd. Pedwar continue. She lladd 435 o bobl. Well, life medicine used nothing. Special items used none. Your title is Crocodile. Ooh, new items. Yeah. 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 Okay. 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 Yeah. Oh, wait, oh my god, she look at 18 here. No, because it's oh yeah, hwnna oedd thing a nightmare. Yeah? She ddim yn locio Secret Theatre. Dwi'm yn gofyn i chwaith. I just mynd. A... Dyna diwedd. Dyna diwedd. A nes i'n joio fo. Do. Nes i'n joio fo. Helo, Ceffil. Nath... Mae'r Metal Gear Solid 3 nes i chwarae yn reiddiol back in the day yn... dal yn stuck yn pen fi. Dwi'n falch yn fodoli, dwi'n falch gath yr upgrade i wneud yn y ffordd gath ei wneud. Dwi'n falch di chwarae fo. Bydd o'n diddorol faint o bobl sydd wedi chwarae Metal Gear fydd actually joio hwn. Good single player ddo. Ia, Metal Gear Solid ia. Dwi'n just gweld yn a big weight off my shoulders. Nes i ddechrau streamio Metal Gear Solid 3. Hwn oedd y 34 tro, a nes i wneud 2 episodes a quitio. Dwi'n gwybod pam, trwy'n stuff. So dwi'n falch wan. Done. Dwi'n gwybod poen amdano Metal Gear Solid 3 a stream byth eto wan. So, 1's done. 2's done. 3's done. 4 ar ôl. Fyddai chwarae stwff eraill cyn chwarae 4. Fi streamio 4 bach yn isio, fyddai angen ad-viewio y PS3 a cael hwnna i weithio efo capture card fi, which shouldn't be a massive issue. Dwi wedi installio fo'n barod. Mae hwnna yn game hir. So, yeah. diolch yn fawr iawn. Os ddim yn gwachio fi'n live beth anyway, ond diolch gwachio yn y VODs. Like, subscribe. Os ydych chi'n gallu dweud i pobl, dwi'n bodoli sy'n o dda, stream yn Cymraeg, yn y boi fo specs tew sy'n neud o, dal yn stream yn Cymraeg. A nawch chi tro nesa. Dwi'n mynd i gael swper hwn. Dwi'n mwyn beth dwi'n mynd i gael. Na'i ddod amdano fo. Iawn ta. Tara, ydw i'n gwybod... Na, dwi'n... Mae gennym fi Stream Deck yma, dwi'n trio bod yn coi a cael y bwtwm iawn. So, diolch yn fawr. Tara.